April 2023. Coty launches new Gucci fragrance with 100% carbon captured alcohol. Coty is taking a new step in the replacement of ethanol of agricultural origin traditionally used in perfumery with ethanol resulting from carbon capture. With the launch of a first fragrance containing only alcohol made from recycled carbon, Coty announced in 2021 a partnership with LanzaTech to use their CarbonSmart ethanol, produced from carbon emitted by industrial activity but captured before it is released into the atmosphere. Available in stores since the 1st of April, 2023.